Sam from California. I begin most days with poetry, often Rumi. Then I center myself and begin Crane Dancing Qigong. In my life and work, I am called to be present in a place of contradictions and chaos. I live in an impoverished neighborhood that is an island in a wealthy city. At 62, I understand how balance is at the root of social justice work, and I am grateful for how Qigong has become a foundation for my living a rich and productive life. Bernadette from Canada. As I began to internalize the movements of Tai Chi, I found my mind expressing in prayer what my body was doing, reaching out in thanksgiving and bowing in humility. Throughout the pandemic, especially where the body and mind have been thrown into chaos, the practice of Tai Chi is leading me to a deeper understanding of my spirituality. I embrace all creation with a deeper respect for our connections. Manuela from New York. Being involved in the martial arts for over 35 years, I developed problems with my knees. Doing Tai Chi for the past 16 years probably postponed knee surgery. My students have also noticed changes, such as a reduction in joint pain and improvement in balance. Tai Chi and Qigong are the way to go. And remember, be grateful for each and every day and keep moving.